Hi everyone, it's Anya, and I'm here with like one of the fastest, simplest Qigong tips that I could ever give you. And it's again a tip to help the kidneys in this season of winter, which we're in right here in the northern hemisphere, at least where I am. So this tip is just to rub your hands together. We're going to build up some warmth here, so you want to rub them vigorously. And then just put your hands on your kidneys. So your kidneys are in your mid-back. They're mostly underneath your lower ribs, and a little bit of the kidneys sticks out below the lower ribs. So your hands are on your kidneys, and you're just putting your mind there in your kidneys, putting your attention there, so bringing more circulation and energy there just by doing that. And then just take a moment and feel how that warmth and energy that you generated by rubbing your hands, feel how that can move into your kidneys. And then we're going to rub the kidneys up and down. So I like to rub up and down close to the spine, and then you can move farther out towards the sides of your torso, and then come on back in towards your spine again, and then move back out towards the side of your body, and you're done. It's so fast and it's really easy to do. It's nice to warm up the kidneys in the winter because they can get a little cold. And so just quickly rubbing them like that a few times throughout the day can really help your kidneys in the wintertime. All right, I'll see you in another video.